You may have heard about the Apple developer event, the WWDC or WWWDC or WWDC, I can't remember how many W's are in that, happened this week. And one of the things that we've talked about over the years with the iPhone apps and external problems that can cause changes in your apps and make you have to do more work. And I think this week was one of those things that was announced. And we always use that example of iOS updates. And in this new iOS update, they released Apple's Liquid Glass, it's called. I've got it on the screen, I'll show you in a second. So a lot of people online are complaining that it looks like Windows Vista. That's neither here nor there. They did a design refresh to try and unify tablet, iOS, the OS on the desktops and Macs, as well as the Apple TV. Now there's a consistent language with a whole new look in all the apps. And what this Liquid Glass now does is, it's a new design language. It may be applied automatically based on certain things that they're doing in the operating system level to your apps. But you now have to go through and test your app, see how it looks. Otherwise, you risk having an app that looks like it was built in 2024, not 2025. If you're not maintaining your app, you probably don't care. If you are maintaining your app to some degree, this is now going to add in some external pressure onto a new feature or a new build or some testing and consume time and cost because you didn't plan for this, you didn't know about it, no one knew about it, but now you need to go in and devote a sprint to testing and updating your app to the Liquid Glass, changing icons or graphics if needed to make it look right, and then go through that whole release cycle. You don't have to do this, they're not forcing it upon you yet, but they have done that in the past. So that's another reason why there's always external pressures to apps and things that change out of your control that you have to then take into account. So what I'll do now is I'll flip you over and I'll show you the actual Liquid Glass and what it looks like.